Guys, guess what? I'm learning how to be a business coach or help people even think about starting their own business. I had this idea that I wanted to learn more about business some years back. I thought, well, maybe I need an MBA, maybe I need to go get a certificate in a business school or something. And I thought, what the heck? I'm going to get a business coach. I'm going to start a business. So I started 2 businesses over time. I've had many business coaches, and now I'm learning how to coach other women to start businesses, to think about it, to realize their value, and then, how can they have more flexibility? How can they see more possibilities? So right now, I don't know how long it's going to last, but right now in Brain Hammock, that's my monthly membership for women docs. Right now, you can have free coaching because I have to get so many coaching hours in. So jump in, Brain Hammock, right now. I can't promise how long it's going to last, but I need to get 20 hours in. So jump in. If you're the only one, you potentially could get 20 hours for free. So jump in and we'll figure out how many hours when you get there, okay? At least 1 hour free for everybody that comes in soon. But I can't promise because there's only so many hours in the day. Got to leave some time to ride your bike. Okay. Brain Hammock is open, monthly membership for women docs only. This one is. I wanted a community that's safe, that we can all learn together, support each other in our common fields, because we have common challenges, but we can grow. And I've been recently reading about, from the father of positive psychology, Martin Seligman, all the courses and the programs that he started with the military and with teachers and businesses, and how he would turn that into post-traumatic stress into post-traumatic growth. And it's very interesting, as humans, we can see a fork in the road or failures as, something that paralyzes us, or we can see it as a fork in the road, learn something about our skills and strengths and keep going, right? So in healthcare, we've been through a lot with the pandemic. No question. I feel like that's where we are at this post-traumatic time. And hopefully now we can take some of those skills to go to post-traumatic growth, So that's what we talk about, some of the learnings and the insights from other fields. Why don't we use them in medicine? I don't understand. So I'm preparing the grand rounds on this, so love it. I love new insights, right? Okay, so join me in Brain Hammock. I'd love to see you. And remember, free coaching while it lasts. Okay.